To work as an electrician in Tennessee, you will need to obtain a Journeyman electrician's license. This is required for individuals who install, maintain, or repair electrical systems and equipment. Tennessee does not offer reciprocity for electrical licenses from other states, meaning that even if you have a journeyman's license from another state, you will still need to obtain a Tennessee license to work in the state. To apply for a Tennessee Journeyman electrician's license, you must meet certain requirements. Firstly, you must be at least 18 years old. Secondly, you must have at least 6,500 hours of verified on-the-job training, which is equivalent to approximately 2 years. Thirdly, you must pass the Tennessee Journeyman electrician exam. If you have worked in Tennessee as an electrician without a license, you may be eligible for a grandfather clause that waives the apprenticeship requirement. However, you must still pass the journeyman's exam. Here are some recommended steps to take. Firstly, contact the Tennessee Electrical Contractors Association, or TECA, for information and guidance. Secondly, gather your proof of on-the-job training, which may include invoices and pay stubs. Thirdly, schedule and prepare for the journeyman's exam. Fourthly, after passing the exam, submit your application for the license. It is important to note that working as an electrician without a proper license in Tennessee is a misdemeanor offense and can result in fines and imprisonment. Therefore, it is essential to ensure that you have the necessary license before undertaking any electrical work in the state. The process for obtaining a journeyman electrician's license typically involves several steps, including completing the required training hours, passing an examination, and submitting an application to the relevant licensing board. The specific requirements may vary depending on the jurisdiction, so it is important to consult the local regulations and guidelines to ensure compliance. In addition to the general requirements, there may be specific regulations regarding the type of work that a journeyman electrician can perform. For example, some jurisdictions may restrict journeyman electricians from working on high-voltage systems or performing specialized tasks without additional certifications or endorsements. It is also important to stay up to date with the latest electrical codes and standards, as these are constantly evolving to ensure the safety and efficiency of electrical systems. Continuing education courses and professional development opportunities can help electricians maintain their knowledge and skills and remain compliant with the latest regulations. Furthermore, electricians should be aware of the potential hazards associated with their work and take appropriate safety precautions to protect themselves and others from injury. This includes wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses, and following established safety procedures when working on electrical systems. In addition to technical skills and knowledge, electricians also need to possess strong communication and problem-solving skills. They often work in teams and must be able to effectively communicate with other members of the team, as well as with clients and other stakeholders. They must also be able to diagnose and troubleshoot electrical problems and develop effective solutions. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and techniques emerging all the time. Electricians who are committed to lifelong learning and professional development will be best positioned to succeed in this dynamic field. This may involve pursuing advanced certifications, attending industry conferences, or simply staying abreast of the latest developments in electrical technology.